Welcome back to On My Channel. Now stop scrolling because in the next few seconds you'll witness the most shocking crashes, the funniest driver failures, and the most satisfying moments of instant karma on the road. Don't go anywhere. This is where cars and comedy collide. This moment proves true bravery. As the runaway truck gains speed, this man risks his life to stop it and turns danger into a lesson in courage. This dog school bag looks like someone's late for math class, and even the cops can't stop laughing. The scariest road accident we've ever seen. This driver lived because he got out 1 second earlier, proving why you never stay in your car after a crash. The correct move when your truck is ablaze is to keep moving to a safe zone. This man's quick thinking prevents a massive motorway disaster despite the heavy damage. Watch this reckless biker learn a hard lesson. After challenging a car, he loses control and suffers a brutal tumbling fall that risks both him and his bike. This is the most insane driver ever recorded. Watch him scrape his car along the center wall for fun, then cause a brutal crash by swerving into oncoming traffic. Watch this crash prove that impatience at a traffic light can instantly turn into a deadly meeting with a semi-truck. This is not just an accident. It's a very brutal reminder that impatience on the highway can tear life apart in seconds. It looked like a game scene until the crash reminded everyone this wasn't virtual. It was real, brutal, and unforgettable. This high-speed street chase ends in a brutal crash, as the fleeing car smashes directly into a house wall, while the pursuing driver escapes without stopping. This crash screams one truth: red lights and patience save lives, but ego always kills faster. We found the world's worst driver. Watch this clueless idiot immediately hit one car, panic, and then crash land his vehicle directly onto a second parked victim. This car rolled over and got up again and said, "I'm fine." Even the road got confused what just happened. I have TO ask, how did this idiot even get up there? This incredible crash shows the shocking final result when a car decides to try flying lessons. This car tried to overtake like ITS in a video game, but ended up parking on the sidewalk instead. This is one of the closest calls we've ever seen. The driver pulls off an absolutely insane recovery, stopping the truck inches from total disaster and proving pure skill can beat gravity. This started like a battle but ended like a lesson, thanks to the crowd turning chaos into calm. This car lost control and turned the motorway into a nightmare, hitting the truck so hard that truck flipped and slid. Watch this construction worker chase a runaway machine. This is a hilarious reminder that you should always check the parking brake before walking away. This wasn't just an accident, it was pure destruction on the highway, a scene no one could forget. Watch this mindless driver destroy a line of parked bikes in a shocking act of senseless destruction. This is a brutal lesson in focus. The sheer speed of this crash suggests the driver was either asleep or texting, proving that even emergency vehicles safe from recklessness. This woman deserves an award for the world's most focused TXTER. SHE was so dedicated to her screen that she literally forgot the world. This crash is both shocking and sad. This man proved that cars and bikes can't be roommates. A second of hurry, a moment of impact. The road never forgives the impatient. This is the shocking cost of illegal parking. The driver left the car half on the road, and the immediate result was a double bus slam that completely destroyed two vehicles. The sheer violence of this crash is unbelievable. This is pure, total annihilation that shows the terrifying difference between racing and reckless abandon. Forget excuses, this man turned challenge into power, showing the world what real courage looks like.